Hi everybody, it's Dr. Jim Humphries with the VNN video blog. If you're like me, this warm weather just motivates me to get out and do fun stuff. Unfortunately, it's motivating some other creatures because these nice, great temperatures bring these little guys out. That's the flea. That's what fleas, this one's a little bigger than normal, except of course in Texas, but that's the guy we hate, the fleas. So today, let's talk about getting rid of fleas. They don't look like much. Fleas are tiny, and frankly, they don't even look very harmful. But given the chance, these little monsters can cause severe distress, very bad allergies for your pets, and frankly, distress for you. Fleas reproduce very quickly. You may only see a couple on your pets, but those couple of fleas can turn into thousands of fleas within a month. They're also capable of carrying some very serious disease and other parasites into your home. So how are you going to stop them? Understanding a flea's life cycle is where you learn where to attack that flea life cycle. And that is one of the most important steps you can do. Now, the first thing you need to know is that the fleas you see in your house are only about 5% of all the fleas in your home. Next, you need to attack the fleas right where they live, and that is on your pets and in your house. Now, use products that contain an insect growth regulator. Now, you don't have to remember that. Just remember IGR. These kill the flea eggs and the larvae that are living in your carpets and even up under your furniture. You can protect your pet with one of the many safe and effective flea treatments that we have now. They're great. These are oral and topical formulations, and they'll protect your pet with one monthly dose for the whole month. It's important to remember that treating fleas is an ongoing process, so don't stop with just one monthly dose now. It's also important to treat all the pets in your house, even those kitty cats that don't go outdoors. Follow these steps, and that'll help keep your pets comfortable and your home flea-free. One more thing, please don't use these over-the-counter flea medications. We have seen problems. We've had cases where it's hurt pets. I've even seen fatalities. So go to your veterinarian. As always, they're the trustworthy source. They'll give you professional advice. They know you and your pet, and they're going to give you the right advice. This is the enemy, the flea, and we have good, professional, safe ways to prevent them and to treat them. If your veterinarian's not available, go to PetDocsOnCall.com. It's a forum. You'll love it. PetDocsOnCall.com. And follow me on Twitter at PetDocsOnCall. I'm Dr. Jim Humphries with our video blog. See you later.